Do you want to turn boring data into beautiful insights, even if you've never touched Power BI before? In the next 18 minutes, I'll show you how to build an interactive dashboard from scratch. No experience needed. Don't forget to turn on caption. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Power Excel, and today we're going to master the basics of Power BI, Microsoft's most powerful tool for data visualization and business insights. By the end of this video, you'll know how to import data, create interactive visuals, so stick around until the end. First thing first, we have an Excel dataset with thousands row of data that it will take much time if you want to build many charts in Excel. I use a sample dataset with many columns here. Feel free to use your own. Press Ctrl T to create a formatted table to easily analyze data. You can change table style you like in table design. Now, close the Excel data source and ready to import the data to Power BI. Let's open Power BI Desktop. Link to download and install Power BI is in description of the video for your reference. Click Blank Report. Once it's open, you will see home screen right here. Let me walk you through it quickly. In the middle, the canvas. On the right, the visualizations and fields pane. This is where the magic happens. Alright, let's bring in some data. Firstly, click Get Data, then choose Excel Workbook. Choose your Excel dataset. Once it loads, we see a preview. Check the tables you want, click Load, and Power BI pulls them right into the model. Tip: if your data looks messy, don't worry. Power BI has built-in tools to clean it. Now, let's wait until data is imported to Power BI. You can see on the right side, Table 1 is loaded. All columns name of Table 1 are here in Data pane for you to easily select or drag onto the report canvas. You can also rename Table 1 to Sales or any name you want. Now the fun part, building visuals. Visual number 1. Sales amount by shipping year. There are many charts to visualize this data. I select a column chart. Drag shipping year to x-axis, then drag amount to y-axis. Boom, your first visual, a column chart, visualizing sales amount by year is built in seconds. Go to Format Visual to enable data labels. You can format data labels value here. Then go to General, Data Format, apply settings to sum of amount to choose Format, whole number, with 1000 separator. These are titles of x-axis, shipping year, and y-axis, sum of amount. If you want to have border for the column chart, go to General, scroll down to Effect, enable Visual Border. You can enhance the appearance of visual borders by navigating to the visual border settings and increasing the rounded corner value to 8px. Let's move to visual number 2, monthly sales trend, by inserting a line chart. Use shipping month in x-axis. And use amount in y-axis. You see that months are not in order from January, February, March, to December. Solution is go to Table View, choose Column, Shipping Month. Then in Tab, Column Tools, you choose Sort by Column, Shipping Month _ number. Go back to Report View. Click to more options of the line chart, choose Sort Axis following Shipping Month, and remember to choose Sort Ascending. This will help shipping months be in order from January, February, March, to December. Let's add visual border for the chart by go to General, Effects, Visual Border with 8px of rounded corner. If you want to compare sales amount of same months of different years, you can drag shipping year to legend and see the magic. Then click to focus mode to see the line chart easier. Now it shows 3 lines of 3 years in same month. To customize title of the chart, go to Format Visual, choose General, Title, and input in text. Do the same for the first column chart. Next, let's build visual number 3 by using donut chart to visualizing sales amount by category including technology, furniture, and office supplies. Select category for legend and amount for values. Ta-da! The donut chart is here showing amount number and percentage. Go to General to change title and add visual border. Visual number 4 is a ribbon chart for amount by subcategory, that we can see which subcategory has the highest amount and which one has the lowest amount. Remember to change title and add visual border for the ribbon chart to make it more professional. Focus mode helps us deep dive to the chart. After building 4 charts, hope that you are getting familiar with steps. Choose suitable chart type, drag data, format visual. Now, let's move on to visual number 5 to visualize sales amount by customer. I choose Azure Map, one of stunning interactive visuals in Power BI. Drag customer to location. Then drag amount to size. The bigger amount, the bigger bubble size. To change map style, you can go to Format Visuals, click to Map Setting and choose default style you like. Here I choose Satellite. Seeing the map in focus mode when presenting in a meeting can make people wow. You can see the biggest bubble size belongs to China, then Switzerland, Sweden and other countries. And do not forget to add visual border with 8px in rounded corner to make the chart more stunning. Let's go to one of the best part in Power BI is adding slicers for filtering. Slicers filter data directly on the report page. They narrow the portion of the semantic model shown in the other visuals. Choose Slicer from Visualizations pane. Select shipping year for the first slicer. Go to Format Visual, open Slicer settings to change style from between to tile. Go to General, Effect to enable visual border with 8px rounded corner. Then you can choose theme color for the slicer and background right in General tab. Copy the format of shipping year slicer to build a new slicer of customer by selecting customer data to field. Because having many customers, you should change slicer style in slicer settings to dropdown. Now you can try to choose one or some customers, all built visuals. Amount by year, monthly amount, amount by category, amount by subcategory, amount by customer are filtered as you want. Do the same to make another slicer of category. The number of slicer and which data in slicer depend on the story you want to tell in Power BI. Then you can align your slicer to the right or any place you want. Let's add a card for key metric. Use card visual to highlight total sales amount. This makes your dashboard feel professional. In the card, you can change color for text, sum of amount, or we call label by going to Format Visual, open callout, scroll down to label then change color. After that, go to General, Effect, enable Visual Border with 8px of rounded corner. Let's add dashboard's title by go to text box, type Sales Dashboard, then choose text color, adjust font size to have a beautiful title. Coming to this step, you have completed 99% of building a Power BI dashboard. Let's try how our built visuals run in Power BI when choosing slicers to see different point of views. You can change report themes by going to the View ribbon. In the Themes section, select the drop-down arrow, and then select the theme you want. By using Power BI desktop report themes, you can apply design changes to your entire report, such as using corporate colors, changing icon sets, applying default visual formatting, or defining custom visual style presets. When you apply a report theme, all visuals in your report use the colors and formatting from your selected theme as their defaults. And that's it. In just less than 20 minutes, you went from zero to building a fully interactive Power BI dashboard. Great job! If you found this helpful, give the video a like, it really supports the channel. Subscribe for more Power BI and Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.